Okay, y'all. For those of you struggling with iTunes, I know I did. I find it very confusing sometimes. So I'm just going to do a quick tutorial here, okay? So once you plug in your device, for me I plugged in my iPhone, and you'll see the device up here when it's plugged in. You're going to click on it, and you're going to scroll down to manually manage music and videos. Make sure this box is checked. I'm going to go back to my other screen. There's an arrow here. And now I want to create my playlist. So I'm going to go to File, New Playlist, and I'm going to call this Mark's Jams. Okay? So here it is. Now this is iTunes right now. This is not my device. Here's a folder where I already have some music. I'm going to take this music and I'm going to bring it into iTunes. Not onto my device, I'm bringing it into iTunes first. That was quick enough, went pretty fast. These are MP3s. For my device, you have to have MP3s. I don't know if your devices does MP4s, but it has to be MP3s. Okay, so now here it is on my iTunes, but here's my phone, and this is where I want the music to be. So there's a little arrow here on the side. I'm going to press that arrow, and we're going to get this drop-down menu. And I'm going to go to Music in this drop-down menu. Now, for music, here's some of my music I have on here already. I want to create a new playlist for my new music. So I'm going to go New Playlist, and now this playlist will show up under my iPhone. Okay, so I called it Mark's Jams before. I'm going to call it the same thing. Okay, so now I'm going to scroll down here where my iTunes library is. Here's my Mark's Jams. Scroll back up here to the folder I created, Mark's Jams. I'm going to take these and I'm going to highlight them. I'm going to drag them over into Mark's Jams. And automatically you'll see that it's updating files on Mark's iPhone. Okay, when it's done, you'll of course know it's done. It's copying 2 of 3. Once that blue strip goes across the top, you know you're done. Alright. Okay, so it's all done. So now we're going to go here and we're going to look at Mark's Jams, and the music's right here. Bingo. Okay? So it's important to remember that when you first come on and you want to create a playlist, new playlist, it's going to go, well, no, it's going to go in here. You're going to create a playlist in your iTunes first. Bring the music in. Then you're going to go to your phone, go to Music, and create a new playlist. This is also really great for organizing your music. If you have different artists and stuff like that, you want to create a playlist, and if it's, say, Michael Jackson, and all you want in there is Michael Jackson, then you just take whatever's in here in your iTunes. So you got to scroll down to whatever's in your iTunes down here. Click on it. Scroll up and then drag it into that particular folder you've already created, so that when you open your phone, everything has a name and everything is good to go. Everything is organized and you're done. Alright, I really hope this helps you all and it cuts down on a little bit of the frustration. Alright, thank you.